We are pleased to show you the 2021 Rio. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, low tire pressure warning. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.